Welcome back to Form Fully. In this video, we are going to see the second topic of Business Skill Track 2, that is complex problem solving capabilities. The complex problem solving capabilities has below topics: problem solving process, analytical and creative skills, framing the problem, multidimensional approach, holistic approach, and inventing options. Let's see the problem solving process first. The definition of problem solving: a problem is a question or situation that presents doubt, confusion, or difficulty. Problem solving is the process of thinking strategically and action in situation when there are no pre-made answers. Problem solving is the process of finding solutions to complex, ambiguous, or challenging issues or situations. It involves identifying a problem, understanding its nature, brainstorming potential solutions, evaluating those solutions, and implementing the most effective one. Problem solving skills involves critical thinking, logical reasoning, creativity, and the ability to analyze situations from different perspectives. Next is a framework for problem solving. Creating a structured framework for problem solving can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of addressing various issues. Let's see a widely used problem solving framework that can be adapted to suit different situations. First, define the problem. It involves identification of problem, clearly articulate and understand the problem, what is the issue or challenges that needs to be addressed. Ensure the problem is well defined and specific. Second, analyze the problem. Here we gather information and analyze. It involves data collection. Collect all relevant data and information related to the problem. Next, evaluation. Analyze and assess the gathered information to understand the problem comprehensively. Third, identify potential solutions. This involves brainstorming. Encourage creative thinking and generate multiple potential solutions. Gather inputs from individuals with varying expertise and viewpoints to explore different angles. Assess each potential solution's feasibility, potential impact, cost, and time required for implementation. Fourth, choose the best solution. Choose the most suitable solution based on the evaluation. Develop a detailed plan outlining the steps for implementation, resource allocation, and timelines. Fifth, plan action. Put the chosen solution into action according to the outlined plan. Sixth, implement solution and review progress. Assess the outcomes of the implemented solution against the initial problem. Regularly monitor the progress and make adjustment as needed. Analyze what worked and what didn't, seeking lessons from the problem, and use the learning to refine processes or approaches for future problem solving endeavors. So this is the overall framework. This framework offers a structured and systematic approach to problem solving. There are 6 ways to enhance your problem solving skills effectively. When you understand the different steps to solve a problem, you will be able to come up with a great solutions. First way, focus on the solution, not the problem. Here you have to focus more on solution than the problem. Move your focus to a solution-oriented mindset where you keep fixed on what the answer could be rather than lingering on what went wrong and whose fault it is. Second, adapt 5 whys to clearly define the problem. 5 whys is a problem-solving framework technique which involves repeatedly asking the question why to help you get to the root cause of a problem. Third, simplify things. Remove all the details and go back to the basics. Try looking for really easy and obvious solution. Fourth, list out as many solutions as possible. Fifth, think laterally. Change the direction of your thoughts by thinking laterally. Try to change your approach and look at things in a new way. Sixth, use language that creates possibility. Lead your thinking with phrases like what if and imagine if. These terms open up your brains to think creatively and encourage solutions. Next is problem solving styles. There are 3 problem solving styles mentioned here: idealist, activist, realist. Let's see these 3 styles one by one. Idealist. The idealist takes a holistic view. They tend to focus on the big picture and seeks innovative, forward-thinking solutions. They welcome a broad range of perspectives, seeks the ideal solutions. They interested in values. Idealists are driven by values and ideas. They prioritize principles and ethical considerations in their problem solving. They are respective of others' idea. Idealists are motivated by the desire to help people and make a positive impact on society or communities. They seize data and theory of equal values. Second is activist. The activist takes a diverse view. Activists are highly action focused and prefers hands-on, immediate solutions. They look for whatever works. They prioritize pragmatic solutions and make use of available resources to address issues effectively. They seek the shortest route to solution. They are result oriented. They aim for quick results and tangible outcomes. Activist is interested in innovation, is adaptive. Activists accept any data or theory that gets us there. Third is realist. The realist takes a sensible view. Realists are known for their practical, analytical, and logical approach to problem solving. They rely on facts and experts' opinion. They do fact-based decision making. They rely on evidence, data, and facts to guide their problem solving process. They seek solutions that meet current needs. Realist is interested in concrete results. They maintain a balanced perspective, taking into account various viewpoints. Realist is corrective, takes data over theory. They prefer tried and tested solutions. So these are the three problem solving styles. Understanding these problem solving styles can be beneficial in group settings or collaboration, as it allows individuals to recognize and appreciate diverse approach to problem solving and can lead to more comprehensive and effective solutions through a blend of different perspectives and methods. Next is problem solving strategies. It includes algorithms. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. By following certain rules, produces a solution. Algorithm can be used to help identify individuals with a greater risk of mental health issues, but sometimes detecting patterns can be incredibly time-consuming. Second, heuristics. Heuristics are shortcut strategy that people can use to solve a problem at hand. These rule of thumb approaches allows you to simplify complex problems, reducing total number of possible solutions to a more manageable set. Third, trial and error. This approach to problem solving involves trying a number of potential solutions to a particular issue, then ruling out those that do not work. This can be good strategy to use if you have a limited number of solutions available. Fourth, insights. In some cases, the solution to a problem can appear as a sudden insight. Insight can occur when the problem is in front of you is similar to an issue that you have dealt with in the past. How to apply problem solving strategies in real life? Create a flowchart. Make a flowchart of each potential solution, its consequences, and what happens next. Recall your past experiences. When a problem needs to be solved quickly, heuristics may be a better approach. Think back to when you faced a similar issue. Then use your knowledge and experience to choose the best option available. Start trying potential solutions. If your options are limited, start trying them one by one to see which solution is best for achieving your desired goal. If a particular solution doesn't work, move on to the next. Take some time alone. Since insight is often achieved when you are alone, cut out time to be by yourself for a while. Obstacles to problem solving. Assumptions. When dealing with a problem, people can make assumptions about the constraints and obstacles that prevent certain solutions. Thus, they may not even try some potential options. Functional fixedness. This term refers to the tendency to view problems only in their customary manner. Functional fixedness prevents people from fully seeing all of the different options that might be available to find a solution. Irrelevant or misleading information. When trying to solve a problem, it's important to distinguish between information that is relevant to the issue and irrelevant data that can lead to faulty solutions. The more complex the problem, the easier it is to focus on misleading or irrelevant information. Mental set. A mental set is a tendency to only use solutions that have worked in the past rather than looking for alternative ideas. A mental set can work as a heuristic, making it a useful problem-solving tool. However, mental sets can also lead to inflexibility, making it more difficult to find effective solutions. How to improve your problem-solving skills? Recognize that a problem exists. If you are facing a problem, there are generally signs. For instance, if you have a mental illness, you may experience excessive fear or sadness, mood changes, and changes in sleeping or eating habits. Recognizing these signs can help you realize that an issue exists. Decide to solve the problem. Make a conscious decision to solve the issue at hand. Commit to yourself that you will go through the steps necessary to find a solution. Seek to fully understand the issue. Analyze the problem you face, looking at it from all sides. If your problem is relationship related, for instance, how the other person may be interpreting the issue. You might also consider how your actions might be contributing to the solution to the situation. Research potential options. Using the problem-solving strategies mentioned, research potential options. Make a list of options, then consider each one individually. What are some pros and cons of taking the available routes? What would you need to do to make them happen? Take action. Select the best solution possible and take action. Action is one of the steps required for change, so go through the motion needed to resolve the issue. Try another option if needed. If the solution you choose didn't work, don't give up. Either go through the problem-solving process again or simply try another option. Next is biases in problem solving. Biases play a significant role in problem solving, affecting how individuals perceive, analyze, and address problems. Here are several cognitive and motivational biases that impacts problem solving. Cognitive biases includes action bias. These biases incline individual towards taking action, even when inaction might be the better choice. It can lead to hasty decisions or premature actions rather than a more thoughtful approach. Confirmation bias. These biases involve seeking or interpreting information in a way that confirms pre-existing beliefs or hypotheses. It might lead individuals to ignore or undervalue information that contradicts their existing views. Association bias. These bias occurs when individuals link to unrelated things due to their mental association, even when there is no logical connection. These can impact problem solving by leading to false correlation or assumptions. Last in cognitive bias, sunk cost bias. These bias involves making decisions based on past investments rather than considering the future outcomes objectively. It can prevent people from abandoning a failing approach or project because they have already invested resources in it. On the other hand, motivational bias includes self-enhancement. These bias involves the tendency to view oneself in a more positive light, often leading to overestimating one's ability or the quality of one's contribution to solving a problem. Cooperation bias. These bias might lead individuals to favor solutions that promote harmony or cooperation within a group, potentially at the expenses of more effective but less popular solutions. Need for closure. This bias refers to the desire for quick solutions and closure, which might lead individuals to settle for the first reasonable solution rather than considering multiple options thoroughly. Accountability. These bias involves making decisions or solving problems while considering the fear or avoidance of being held accountable for the outcome. It might lead individuals to make decisions that minimizing personal responsibility, even if those decisions are not most effective. So, the recognizing of these biases allows individual or team to implement strategies to mitigate their influence. Techniques like considering alternative perspective, gathering diverse option, gathering diverse opinions, encouraging critical thinking, and structuring decision-making processes to account for biases can help in overcoming the limitations imposed by biases during problem solving. Here are some problem solving and problem analysis tools. You can check it out in Google. Next is analytical skills, the ability to collect, visualize, and analyze information in order to perceive the larger picture or trend underlying facts and make judgments about what to do next is known as analytical thinking or analytical skills. In business, analytical abilities are necessary for obtaining information, resolving complicated issues, and coming to logical conclusions. These abilities enables the evaluation of both easy and difficult situations. Analytical thinking helps individuals make informed decisions and solve problems by examining situations from various angles, recognizing patterns, and utilizing structured and methodical approach to address challenges. The key aspects of analytical skills includes critical thinking, decision making, attention to details, and researching skills. Next topic is critical thinking. The critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally, understanding the logical connection between ideas. It surrounds the capacity for thoughtful and self-reliant thinking. The key aspects of critical thinking skills include analysis, the capacity to examine information, identify components, understand relationship between them, reasoning, using logic and evidence to draw conclusions, considering various viewpoints and recognizing biases, problem solving, developing solutions to complex issues by considering different approaches and weighing potential outcome, creativity, thinking out of the box, proposing innovative ideas and applying unconventional approaches to problem solving, effective communication, presenting ideas, findings, and solutions clearly. Next topic is creative thinking. Creative thinking is the ability to view at things with a fresh perspective from a different angle in order to come up with the new ideas. It refers to the ability to generate innovative ideas, explore unique perspective, and devise original solutions to problems or challenges. It involves out-of-the-box thinking, encouraging unconventional, original, and imaginative ideas that might not have been considered initially. Exploration of possibilities, examining diverse approaches and viewpoints, even those that may seem unusual or unexpected. Problem exploration, considering problems from various angles and proposing novel solutions, often diverging from conventional methods. Flexibility, adapting to changing situations and being open to exploring alternative paths or ideas. Innovation, introducing new concepts, products, or methods that changing the status and bring about change. So, these are some parts of creative thinking. Creative thinking allows individuals to break away from routine thinking pattern and foster innovative solutions and fresh perspectives. Next topic is framing the problem. Framing the problem refers to the process of defining and structuring a problem or challenges in a way that helps facilitate its understanding, analysis, and resolution. It involves breaking down a complex issue into its essential elements and setting a clear context for problem solving. Key aspects of framing a problem includes identifying the issue, understanding and clearly defining the problem at hand, including its underlying causes, scope, and impact, defining objectives, establishing specific goals or outcomes that needs to be achieved or addressed through problem solving, determining boundaries, setting limitations or patterns within which the problem is to be addressed, helping to focus efforts and resources, considering multiple perspectives, acknowledging diverse viewpoints and factors that might influence or contribute to the problem, refining problem statements, revisiting and refining problem statements to ensure they accurately represent the core issue and its complexity. So the framing the problem effectively is crucial as it influence the direction of problem-solving efforts and impacts the quality of solutions. It helps in identifying the root cause, evaluating alternative approaches, and guiding the decision-making process towards resolving the issue. Moving to next topic, that is inventing options. The process of inventing options is a critical step in problem solving that involves generating and exploring various potential solutions or alternatives to address a problem or opportunity. It includes creative ideation, encouraging brainstorming and creative thinking to produce a range of innovative ideas and potential solutions. Diverse perspectives, considering a variety of viewpoints, approaches, or strategies that could lead to different solutions. Exploration of alternatives, generating multiple options that may vary in complexity, flexibility, feasibility, and potential impact. Combining and refining ideas, identifying common themes or potential synergies among different options to create, enhance, or refine solutions. Flexibility in thinking, remaining open-minded and exploring unconventional or unexpected solutions to generate a broad array of alternatives. So, the inventing options is a crucial phase that enables individuals or teams to move beyond traditional or limited thinking patterns, fostering a range of potential solutions to a problem. This stage often precedes the evaluation and selection of the most viable or optimal solutions among the generated alternatives. Next is multidimensional approach. A multidimensional approach involves analyzing a situation, problem, or concept from various angles or dimensions, considering multiple factors that contributes to a complex issues. It encompasses consideration of multiple factors, taking into account various elements, perspectives, or variables that influence or relate to the issue at hand. Interdisciplinary analysis, using insights from different fields or disciplines to gain a comprehensive understanding of the problem. Holistic examination, viewing the problem in its entirety, acknowledging the interconnectedness of different components. Exploration of impacts, evaluating how the issue affects different stakeholders, systems, or environments. Comprehensive understanding, seeking a well-rounded comprehension of the problem by accessing its multifaceted nature. So, a multidimensional approach allows for a deeper and more comprehensive understanding of complex issues, providing a broader perspective and helping in devising more informed and effective solutions. Design thinking. Design thinking is a problem-solving and innovation methodology that emphasizes a human-centered approach for creating solutions. It involves a structured process to identify and address challenges, aiming to develop innovative solutions. Design thinking encourages collaboration, creativity, and a user-centric approach to problem solving. The key components of design thinking includes empathy, understanding and emphasizing with the needs, emotions, and experience of the end users or stakeholders affected by the problem. Clearly define the problem or challenges through in-depth research and analysis of user needs and insights. Ideation, generating diverse ideas and potential solutions, encouraging creativity and exploring unconventional approaches. Prototyping, creating tangible representation or prototypes of potential solutions to test and review and refine ideas. Testing, gathering feedback and testing prototypes with end user to assess and refine the proposed solution. Iterative process, embracing an iterative process that involves continuous refining and improving solutions based on feedbacks and testing. So these are the key components of design thinking. Design thinking widely used in various fields from product design and innovation to service development to create solutions that genuinely address users' needs and challenges. Last topic is holistic approach. A holistic approach involves considering a system, problem, or concept as a whole, recognizing the interconnections and interdependencies between its various parts. In short, the holistic approach involves looking at the problem as a whole and viewing the big picture. The key aspects of holistic approach includes comprehensive perspective, viewing a situation in its entirety, acknowledging the interconnectedness of its components and how they influence each other, consideration of multiple factors, recognizing the impact of various elements such as social, cultural, environmental, and economical factors on the overall system, integrated analysis, emphasizing the relationship between different parts of the system and understanding how changes in one area may affect other aspects, interdisciplinary understanding, drawing insights from different disciplines to gain a more complete understanding of the issue, emphasize on wellness, focusing not only on treating systems but also on fostering overall well-being and balance in the system, interconnectedness, understanding that all elements within a system are interconnected and have an impact on each other. So, this is the overall holistic aspects. Thanks for watching.